Hey, what's up guys? Happy 4th of July today. So I've got a lot of footage now from me riding the one tire fryer around the neighborhood. But it's so much footage that it's going to take me a while to edit it and post it in a big video. So what I've decided to do instead is I'm going to post a little teaser video for you guys. And this is it. And you're going to see some pretty cool stuff. I did install a header. I lost the actual footage from the actual header install. Actually, I didn't lose it. I just didn't realize that the camera was off at the time. Yeah, that was annoying. But the one tire fryer gets a header finally, does some pretty sick burnouts, and gets some nice drifting and 180s in, and it launches harder with the header. So here's some teaser footage for you.